If you need to change your X, formerly Twitter, password, but you do not have your old password, this video will walk you through the fastest and safest way to reset it. Whether you forgot your login details, think your account may be at risk, or you just want to update your password for security, this simple method can help you get back into your account in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the X login page. You can type twitter.com or x.com in the address bar and it will take you to the sign-in screen. Once you are there, do not try to enter a password you do not remember. Instead, look for the forgot password option and click or tap it. This is the first step in starting the password recovery process. Next, you will land on a screen that asks you to find your X account. Here, you need to enter the email address, phone number, or exact username connected to the account. Be sure to type the correct details because X needs to identify the right profile before it can send a reset code. After entering the information, click Next. If the account does not show up right away, double check your spelling, your email, and your username. Sometimes the smallest typo can stop the recovery process. Once X finds your account, it will ask where you want to receive a temporary verification code. Usually, this will be sent to your email inbox or to the phone number linked to your account through SM. Choose the method that you can access right now. Then switch over to your email app or text messages and look for the code from X. If you do not see it immediately, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder and wait a minute or two just in case the message is delayed. When the code arrives, go back to the X recovery page and carefully enter the verification code into the field provided. Make sure you type it exactly as shown because these codes are often time sensitive. After that, click Next to continue. Now you will reach the page where you can choose a new password. This is where you create the fresh password that will replace the old one. Type in a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for anyone else to guess. Then retype it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no mistakes. Once both fields match, click Submit or Change Password, depending on what version of the page you see. At this point, your old password will no longer work and your account should be updated with the new one. You may also be signed out on other devices, which is a good thing if you are changing the password for security reasons. After resetting your password, take a moment to make sure your recovery email and phone number are still correct, especially if you think someone else may have access to your account. It is also a smart idea to turn on extra security features if they are available, such as two-factor authentication, because that adds another layer of protection to your X account. If you are using a shared device, remember to sign out properly and avoid saving the password unless you trust the device completely. That way, your new login stays secure. And that is how you change your X or Twitter password without knowing the old one. It is a quick recovery process that anyone can follow as long as they still have access to their email or phone number. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.